Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese on toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for this delicious and easy snack. You'll need a few slices of your preferred bread, some cheese, and a way to heat it, like a grill or oven. Selecting your favorite type of bread and cheese is key to making this treat truly yours. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master quickly. Now, let's get everything ready for cooking. Take 2 slices of your chosen bread and lay them on a baking tray or directly under the grill. Next, prepare your cheese. Grating or slicing about 2 ounces works perfectly for 2 slices of bread. Spread the cheese evenly over each slice. Finally, preheat your grill or oven to a medium setting, ensuring it's ready for the next step. With your bread and cheese prepared, it's time to cook. Carefully place the tray with your cheese-topped bread under the preheated grill. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbling, and the bread edges are golden brown. It's important to keep a close eye on it during this stage, as cheese can burn quickly. You want that perfect, gooey texture. Once your cheese on toast is ready, carefully remove it from under the grill. The cheese will be hot, so handle with care. Serve it immediately for the best experience. The warm, melted cheese and crispy toast are truly a delight. It's perfect for a quick meal or a comforting treat any time of day. And speaking of bringing comfort and convenience to your home, don't forget to check the description below for a link to smart speaker deals and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.